My name is Lakshmi Ishwar. I am a teaching professional. I used to teach in an engineering college. So, we have been living in this house for a very long time. And earlier days it was not required. But as we now have my mother and my mother-in-law living with us. Both of them are senior citizens in their 80s. So now it has become necessary to have an elevator in the house because they all have knee issues and they're unable to climb the stairs. So that is how we thought of having an elevator in the house. We actually decided to look for smaller home elevators because we only have that much space, right? So home elevators is what we're looking for, and we looked around and we found that Tyson Group is a very good technology, hydraulic, no noise, and we didn't want to dig into the ground. That was our main consideration. We didn't want to dig too much into the ground. This is one of the elevators where, because it's hydraulic, we don't have to dig too much into the ground. So that is the reason we chose Elite, which is one of Tyson. I've been having a good experience with the Elite elevators because everything worked to time, and it was delivered as per the schedule. After that, for installation also, it was a very easy process. In one word, I would say it was great.